What if I told you that a single dollar could be the beginning of a multi-million-dollar empire? This is the story of John, a man who turned $1 into a fortune, proving that determination and creativity can change everything. John grew up in a small town where money was always tight. After losing his job and facing mounting bills, he found himself at his lowest point. He reached into his pocket and realized he had only $1 left to his name. For many, this would feel like the end, but for John, it became the beginning. With his last dollar, John bought a pack of pencils. It wasn't much, but it was enough to get started. He began going door to door in his neighborhood, selling each pencil for a small profit. With every sale, he earned just enough to buy more supplies and reinvest in his small venture. John didn't stop at pencils. He sold lemonade, repaired broken gadgets, and even offered to mow lawns for a small fee. Every dollar he earned was reinvested into the new ideas. Slowly but surely, his hard work began to pay off. After months of persistence, John saved enough money to rent a small shop. He started refurbishing and selling used electronics, quickly earning a reputation for his quality and honesty. Word spread, and soon, customers from all over the town were visiting his store. John's small store grew into an online business, shipping products across the country. Today, he runs a multi-million-dollar company, employs dozens of people, and inspires others to chase their dreams. John often shares his journey, saying, "The most valuable thing I had wasn't $1. It was the determination to make it work." No matter how small you start, you can achieve greatness if you keep moving forward. This story shows us that every journey begins with a single step. So take that single step today and begin your journey. If you found John's story inspiring, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs a little motivation today. Together we can inspire more people to chase their dreams.